Well, hello. Hey. So we learned that everything is made of atoms, and if you put two or more different atoms together, you get a molecule, a group of atoms that are stuck together that can then stick to another molecule, to another, to another, to another, to make things. Whether it's the air, whether it's the wall behind me, that birdhouse back here, whatever it might be. Okay? You, me, your hair on your head, your ears, your shirt. So, we're going to find out about atoms now. We talked about molecules, groups of atoms, making things. If they're spaced farther apart, objects are less dense. If they're closer together, they're more dense. If they're farther apart, they're less dense in objects, right? But now you're going to find out what an atom is. What is it made of? This is your job today. You need to look up what is an atom made of? What are its parts? Number one. Number two, what does that atom look like? If we blew it up, what do the parts look like? So your job for today is this. You need to look up to find out what an atom looks like. Draw it on a blank piece of paper. Put the parts on and label it. There are about 106 different types of atoms. Each one has a name. Each one is on the periodic table. You've heard the periodic table before? Remember that table with all those squares and a bunch of the letters? Well, each one of those, they are a different type of atom. Those individual types of atoms have names, and each one is different than the next one. Because they're called elements. So we have a periodic table of elements. Okay? So I just want to start you out with the very basic. Just find any atom you want, find out what kind of atom it is, draw it on a blank piece of paper, put the name underneath, take a picture of it. Use color if you can, and take a picture. That's all I want you to do. Atoms make up everything. So don't believe Adam makes up everything. Do you know someone named Adam? I do. Just kidding, right? I'm talking about the atom, atom. So, do this. Tonight is parent teachers conferences night. You need to have your work done. I'm going to be calling different parents too, bragging about you for things that you've done well, and then telling them also of the things that you need to get done. Okay? That's our job as teachers. All right. Take care. We'll see you on the screen tomorrow.